What if I told you that just 15 minutes a day could transform your energy, sharpen your focus, and improve your health without stepping foot in a gym? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to share a simple formula: 15-minute bodyweight workouts combined with smart, mindful habits that busy people all over the world are using to boost their well-being. And the best part, you don't need expensive equipment or hours of free time. Stick with me because I'll show you exactly how it works and reveal the one habit that makes the difference between quick burnout and lasting results. Here's how it starts. If you've only got 15 minutes, the fastest way to get results is to high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Start with a quick 3-minute warm-up, jumping jacks, arm circles, maybe some leg swings to wake up your body. Then, dive into this full-body circuit. Jumping jacks for 40 seconds to get the blood flowing, squats for your legs and glutes, push-ups to strengthen your chest and arms, modify on your knees if you need, a plank to fire up your core, and mountain climbers to finish strong. Take a 20-second rest and then repeat it all 3 times. That's it. Efficient, powerful, and under 15 minutes. Or if you're really pressed for time, switch to a Tabata-style HIIT. 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, cycling through moves like high knees, burpees, jumping lunges, side planks, and Russian twists. 2 rounds and you're done. Finish with a 1-minute burst of your favorite move. Go all out. But here's the thing. Fitness alone isn't enough. If you want these 15 minutes to actually stick, you need to pair them with smart, mindful habits. That means prepping meals ahead of time so you're not stuck with fast food. It means taking micro breaks in your day, like box breathing or a quick body scan to reset your focus. It means walking while you take calls, choosing stairs over elevators, and carving out real rest at night by unplugging from screens before bed. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the small things consistently. And here's the key I promised earlier. The difference between a quick burnout and lasting results comes down to recovery. Without rest, both mental and physical, your workouts won't work. That's why prioritizing sleep and recovery habits is just as important as the workout itself. So here's your challenge. Start tomorrow with just 15 minutes. Pair it with one mindful health habit, maybe meal prepping or box breathing, and build from there. Because your health doesn't require hours of sacrifice. It just requires intentional minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart health strategies, and share this with someone who says they're too busy for fitness.